5 facts about elephants. 1. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world and can weigh up to 7,500 kilograms. 2. They have an excellent memory and can remember places, other elephants, and people for years. 3. Elephants are social and form close family associations. Female elephants live in herds led by a matriarch. 4. They can use their trunk to drink, grab, and even sniff. The trunk consists of about 40,000 muscles. 5. Elephants are a keystone species and play an important role in shaping their ecosystem by cutting down trees, creating water holes, and spreading seeds.